I just got a delivery. Yeah, a Lidl's delivery. Oh, what a lovely big box. It's like a boot box. I wonder if I got myself a pair of boots. No, I haven't. I got myself something much smaller than a pair of boots. Hence all that flippin' movement in the box. Why the hell is the box so flippin' big? What the hell? Amazon does that. See, Discount here in France does that. And boxes that are way too big. Look! There it is. Oh, my giddy arm. Whatever next, that's it. That could have gone in a much smaller box, couldn't it? Let's be honest. Even, I don't know, a padded flippin' jiffy bag with a card face, I don't know. A darn sight less flippin' packaging than this. Now, in the UK, on the 1st of October, they banned single-use plastics and what have you. So everyone's, packaging in trees now. But what about this lot? When are we going to ban oversized boxes? This was ridiculous. Maybe the box should be only allowed to be a certain percentage bigger than the actual item itself. Oh, this is just mind-numbing. I've had cables come in boxes this big, tiny little cables, like adapters and stuff for mobile phones, in big boxes like this. I know why they do it. It's because it causes less problems for their automated logistics systems with the machines and the conveyor belts and stuff. These things, pass through no trouble. Whereas small items, they kind of get stuck. But still, this is ridiculous. They need to work a solution out. And this is Lidl's. Blimey. Yeah, I got myself another little set of screwdrivers. Yeah, for this channel, because my other ones are gone a little bit manky. Oh, a little sticky in that. Oh, I don't know why. Some weird plastic stuff. Anyway, so there you go. Lidl's, Amazon, see Discount, and all you delivery type people, gig economy and all that, buck your ideas up, because you're destroying the planet. And besides, how many more boxes could they fit it in to that van or lorry? Get from A to B. Quite a few, I would say, wouldn't you? Anyway, it's time for me to go, so I'm going to say no, but you tell me. Please leave it in the comments down below. This is just so frustrating. What do you reckon, Sebastian? What do you reckon, Pandora? Is it stupid? I think so. Yeah. I'd be happy, though, if it's full of dog food and treats. Yeah. Ta-ta. Don't forget, comment down below. And boot the old like button.